Hey guys, today we'll see how we can create views in D365. So to create a view, first of all, we will create a view of our sales table. We'll add few fields into our sales table. So for now, what I will do, I will simply click on this add button. I will go to my tables and I will go to my view here. Here I will say simply sales table view. View are basically used just for view kind of information where we don't want to edit records. Okay, so let me create this view. So the view is created here. So now here we need to we can either drag a query here or we can simply add data source here. So for now I will simply click here new data source and I will change the table property here to sales table. So here we should get a sales table. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let me save this view. So I've added my data source and now I will add few fields from here. So I think I will need here, let's add created, date and time, created this field, and let's pick this field as well. And let me pick so we'll add only few fields in view, but whereas we have all the fields available at data source, I can add this sales ID, copy, and I think let me also take this sales status, copy, and I will simply paste this field here. Okay, fine. I think I can rename this. Okay, so I think these fields are system created, so that's why I can't have same name. Let me try. I think this should give us an error. Okay, yeah, here we are getting error for this. And let me, so I think I can add rec ID as well. So let me see rec IDs here, copy, and I will paste my rec ID as well. So let me simply save this one here. So we'll add a range as well. So I will go to new range and I will choose the field as sales status here. So we'll also see how we can apply the range. Sales status. So actually I'm interested in this field, this one. So if you go to, you see the field is sales status. So we'll be only in our view we will put a filter range here that we only need this open orders, sales ID. For example, this is delivered, so we don't need this. This is invoice, we don't need this 725 and 754. So to do that, I will simply go to my sales table, and here I will need to put the range. Here I need to put the value. So either you could simply put the numbers here, but we'll put the exact value here. So I will go to base enum of my sales status, and here you see 0, 1. So this one is open order here label. So sales status back order. So I will simply put my filter here. So I will say here the filter would be sales status and it would be back order. Okay, so I've also put my filter as well. Okay, so let's do a build here. build is completed, but when you will open the table browser, you'll probably see an error here. So you see here you are getting an error named as cannot browse sales table view the table or view has been built or synchronized. So for that, typically whenever you are creating a view, so it is damn sure you will get these type of issues. So what you could do, you could simply, first of all, you could simply clean your solution and then do a rebuild here. So I will simply do clean of my solution itself. Okay, now when my clean will be done, then I will simply do my rebuild again. So guys, now my this clean solution and rebuild solution is done. So now when I will open my table browser here, so here if you see, I'm easily getting all my results here. So we have also applied a range as well here, that we will be only seeing the back order, that is the open order status. So let's verify that as well. So let me pick a invoice one here, for example this one, this 725. So now when I will search this 725 here, so you see here we are not getting. So even if you filter here, so we'll not get that particular sales order because we have already put a range. But whereas if you will simply search for this one, so you will easily get this one out here. Sorry. Here we go. So this was the very simple video how we can create a view. So initially when you will create a view, you will face the difficulty. So you could clean your solution and rebuild your solution. And we have also seen how we can apply the ranges. So here we have used a pattern, like we put here the name of our base enum, and then we simply put the value that we want, back order. That is back order, it's open order at the back end. Thank you for watching this video.